back, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So we are going to make this fine dress with this fine flower material, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and let's get started now. So I've folded my fabric already, as you can see, into four. So we are going to cut together at once. That is the back and the front together is what I mean. So I will go ahead now to take my measurement, and first I will measure what I folded here. So what I have here is 13.3 5, please. 13.5 is what I have inches. And then I will go ahead now to take my length, and before doing that, let me draw a straight line on it. So I'm using my hand to do that. So this is my straight line, and that is where I will start with my measurement to place my tape. So and then get my length. My length here that I'm having is 37 inches. So that is my 37 inches that I have. And then I will go ahead now to take my neck. So marking my neckline is 4 inches. And to bring down the neckline also, I'm going to mark 3 inches like this, and then give it a round curve like this. So after that, I will also go ahead now to mark my measurement, that is the armhole side of it. So remember, I marked, we folded 13.5 inches. So this is what I will mark now, 3 inches here. And then to bring down the armhole side, I'm marking 9 inches like this. So on that line of 9 inches, that's where we place our tip and get our body measurement, that is for the bust. So I will also mark 12.5 inches like this, and then add 1 inch for the sewing allowance, and then place my tape on the upper side again from the shoulder, and then mark my under bust 13 inches. So on that 13 inches, I will also place my tape and mark. Then I will mark 11.5 inches to shape it out a bit, and then we also free it out like this. So then I will connect from the armhole that I marked like this, and then mark it like this. So that is it now. So I will now bring it outside. Remember, it's 13.5. So I will just take it like this, so that this side of it will not be free. So that is it. So we have finished our measurement, and then to slope my shoulder now, I'll go ahead now to mark 1 inch, and then slant it, like to slope it like this. I hope you are following up. So for the back neckline, I'll go ahead now to mark 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and the round curve will also go like this. So that is it now. So I finished marking it now. So now is to cut it out, and after cutting it out, we'll go and stitch it. So I'm starting from the neckline of the back. So that's what I'm doing here now. So please watch this video down to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share it for others to see, so that they too can watch and also learn from it. So this is what I'm doing now, cutting it. So it's cut together. The front and the back is what we cut out at once. That's why it's called cut together. So I will also open it like this. So that is it. So finish cutting it now. So let me open it, or before then, let me take out the back side of it and cut the front neck. So placing it very well and cut. So it's the front neck now that I want to cut. Yes, so we finished cutting it. So let me take it to the machine and do that and stitch first the shoulder together. So I'm going to join my shoulder now. So what I will do, I will use 1 inch to take it and sew it down. And it's kimono dress that we are making, so you can see how it's coming out. So let me do that and stitch it to the machine now. So our dress is ready. I'm going to join the body part now, as you can see. So this is how the kimono came out. So you can see how we cut it. So if you don't understand, please watch this video again. And please subscribe to my channel and watch it down to the end. Share it for others to see so that they too can see it and learn and watch and also cut on their own. So I want you guys to have your fabric so that you can cut along with me and sew the way I saw it out like this. So please, thank you once more for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe. Bye bye.